Hello everyone. If you want to get a free voucher from Microsoft for any of the Azure certifications, then watch this video till the end and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to achieve this. So, Microsoft has launched AI Skills Fest. Now, this is starting from June 8th to June 12th. Now, you have to be really fast because after June 12th, you cannot avail this offer. So, Microsoft is giving these perks. So when you complete this, you will get a AI Skills Fest credit badge. So once you complete this fest, you are going to get a AI Skills Fest credit badge that you can share on your LinkedIn, and this credit badge will be visible on your profile. And these are the skills and these are the eligible. And once you find the eligible playlist, you are supposed to receive 100% off on Microsoft certification exam. So this is the whole list which is eligible for a free 100% off Microsoft exam, like your admin associate and DevOps engineer expert. So I'll put this link in the description so that you can check it out later. So let us start with the registration process. So you just have to go to this website. I'll put this link in the description. Click on the register now. Sign into experience. Okay, so once you're logged in, you will come to this home page. And this won't show up for you because you would not have completed the playlist. But so what you have to do is so go to AI Skills Fest. Yeah, so this page will come where it will show AI Skills Fest June 8 to June 12th. Now scroll down and you have to do any of these featured playlist. Right now it's loading, so if you're from IT, developers, business professional, educators and students, executive, anything which is according to your choice or career, anything that you like. Yep, so this is loaded for now. Now you can do any of these. Like I have done the developers one. So developers one, I have done this thing. Now you just have to click on this. Okay, so I've clicked on this. Now this should be 100%, then only you will be eligible for 100% off Microsoft coupon. You just have to complete all the items which are there in your playlist. Now I'll go back, and once you have completed, it will show something like this where you will have to complete a Google form. You will have to fill a Google form. Once you complete that, you will receive your coupon on June 19th. So this was it for this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.